Welcome back, YouTube. Tools ready, and we're going to finally crack the oil. Unfortunately, I bought a couple of tools that don't work, but some friends of mine next door, either side, lent me this to get it off. And he's a fellow scooterist as well. He's got his own scooter which he's done up and sprayed, and it really, really does look nice. And another friend here who does cars lent me a Imperial 15 over 6, 15/16, 25mm basically, to get that cut off, because I honestly thought I bought a full set of these with 25mm and bigger because of the transit, but I don't know where they are, or did I imagine it? Anyway, I've got the tools, got the oil, got the new filter, got everything done. Let's get on with it, finally. That was a job and a half. This scooter's fighting me, I said, yeah. You know, all these jobs are just, they're not going as easy as you see other people do videos. So, the old filter came off, no problem, with the tool my friend gave me. The nut, I don't know, must have been put on with an impact wrench, because I had to stand on this and balance the scooter somehow. But thankfully, being a little bit chubby helped. It couldn't withstand me. Not many people can, but anyway. But it came off. And we replaced the washer, not the washer, the O-ring. Replaced the filter, filled it up with oil. It started. There doesn't seem to be any leaks, but I'm going to hunt down the proper tools to get that size filter off. And I'm going to get a 25mm socket, 1/2 inch socket for that job. The nut's fine. That won't just need, just on and. But the filter, I'd like to give it just a little. But I don't have the tool. But I'm going to get. There's a T-bar with a thick metal bit at the end that you can just twist on that. But yeah, so you can see here, if it's in that groove there. I've got all on my fingers now. I'll get that tool, give it just a little twist, and then I can use it for future needs. Once I've got it open with that wrench thing, this thing, once I've got it moving a little bit, came off with my hand, so it hasn't been tight. That one hadn't been tightened up, but the nut, whoever did the 600 mile service, they put that on, but it's all done. Finally, so here's the list. We've done the suspension. We've done the lungs, the air filter. We've done the oil. Next job will be the gear oil. and then after that the coolant, and then we'll do the band and the rollers and stuff inside. So it'll be about the right time. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the whole series, really. It's been great. Keep watching, please do. Thumbs up, hit the subscribe, do all the nice stuff, and share. Let people see this madman doing his own mechanics. It can be done at home. That's the whole point. I'm trying to show that it can be done at home. It's hot as well. We're in the middle of it. We're in that summer day that we have, and everyone's moaning about it. Anyway, that's enough. See you again soon, and thanks for watching, as always.